everyone, it's Sean with Ducko Reagan Homes and Investments. Just want to show you our newest project here in Falls Church on Woodlawn Avenue. It's a 3-level colonial that the previous owners actually did a 2-level addition off the back of it. It's about 2,000 square feet on the main 2 levels, not including the basement. And we're going to completely transform this home. Looking forward to showing you what the plan is. All right, here I am in the living room right off the front door. This kind of gives you the lay of the land. You'll see right there that opening at the staircase. That's the addition that was added on the back of the home. So that is the existing rear wall of the house. And then as we kind of make our way on this side of the wall here, we'll go into the kitchen and dining room. The plan is to open up this wall and then the wall between the kitchen and dining room, have the kitchen along the side wall with a big island in the back, and then that'll open up all the way into the family room, which is on the other side here on this addition. And below these hardwoods we're gonna have, or below the carpet, we're actually gonna have hardwoods that we'll refinish, and then we'll match hardwoods into the addition there, so it's a seamless transition throughout the main level. Here we are at the landing on the upper level. We've got the original primary bedroom behind us. There's only 1 bathroom up here, and then there's 3 other bedrooms, with the 4th one being smaller. So we're going to convert the 4-1 upper level to a 3-2 upper level to create a primary suite where this bathroom will go directly into this room. We'll create a closet there. We'll keep the 2 larger bedrooms here behind you, and then the smaller bedroom with the red carpet over there will be converted to the 2nd full bath with a double vanity, so those bedrooms will have their own dedicated bathroom as well.